Today, Saru continues its wonderful work with our Bokkie mascot program. Khotso Primary School in Soweto have the opportunity to meet Bokkie, the Springbok mascot, to hear what Bokkie is about, and especially being on a Bok Day, a Friday, a day where we urge the country to get behind our Springboks, support them wearing green and gold.
Well, what's happening here today is we've got Trevor and Nyakane, one of the Boks, out here to speak to the kids and to inspire them a little bit. It's going to fulfill a lot of dreams for those who know about rugby and also for the children who don't know about it. Well, there's always great excitement when Bokkie rushes out into the field, who is the mascot of the Springboks. And when he rushes out, you can see the kids' faces just light up, and they want to touch him, and they want to have pictures with him, and they want to talk to him. So it's very, very exciting for them to see Bokkie rush out.
This area, as you can see, it caters for mainly low income earning people, learners who are staying with their grannies. And this is for the first time that our school has taken part in this event. This is for the first time that our school has played rugby. And the children have done wonders. It's just unbelievable.
Yeah, I mean, it's a privilege for me to be here for the kids to be able to see a live Springbok. I mean, I've been there before as well. I would have loved. I didn't actually get the chance to, but I mean, if I'm happy to be able to give back to the young kids, help them out. Now, most of them is probably their dream to one of the day to get there and play there. But I mean, it's not going to happen for everyone. But at least they get to manage to see me, and I mean, it's very humbling to be able to give back to your own culture, to the community, and little kids see what it's all about.
Oh, thank you very much, Springboks, for coming here, and Saru for making, you've changed the complexion of our school. I'm so excited.